So we left busy Bangkok and we're heading off down to Pattaya to stay at Jomtien Beach. We'd never been to Jomtien Beach before, we always stay in Pattaya in the city mall. So we rented a grab taxi and we're on our way. Okay, so this is the room. Safety box, big shower, which is good. It's nice, got sort of little kitchenette, big fridge. It's a big room. It's got its own little balcony, big bed, big telly. Nice. Well, it's about twice as big as the one we were staying in the last couple of days, so it's all good. The pool is sort of up on a deck. You know, you got a good view of the beach. It's big beds to hang out every day. Only a little pool, but it's a pool. Not a bad view from up here. Across the rooftops. Nice. Good breeze up here, so when it's too hot, come up here and hang out, I suppose. That's the go. Okay, so we just got a motorbike, a little Honda Click they're called, like a Honda Vario. And this is the beach, Jomtien Beach. Quick look. We're just looking for some food because we're big and starving. We just got back from Bangkok, so let's go for a cruise, have a look for some food. That's it. That's the plan for right now. 5-star chicken, so we just got half a chicken and some little chicken balls. We're going to go over near the beach, check the beach out, have something to eat. We're starving, both of us. Okay, so we got a little table and all that. This is the beach. Mr. Pigeon, beach pigeon. Wow, it's a pretty long beach, probably about 3 or 4 kilometres long maybe. Looks nice, alright. This is Jomtien Beach. We've never stayed on this side before, we've always stayed on the other side in Pattaya City Mall. Okay, so there's an island off the coast here, about 5 kilometres, pretty close actually. It's a big island. There's a lot of houses on it. So we're going to see maybe one day this week, we can get a boat over there, check it out. Maybe there's a hotel over there or something, don't know. Let's do a day trip. There's a couple of other islands out there too.
Look who's here.
So we rented a motorbike, I think, for 200 baht a day, which is fairly cheap. And we headed out that night and trying to find some of the night markets and check out the night markets in Jomtien Beach. Okay, so this is like a night food market on the beach road. Thought we'd just come in and check it out. Wow, it looks like it opens up there in the back here and it's really huge. Dorian. Samosa. Samosa's on it. Alright. Well, there's a lot of locals in here, can't see many tourists. A lot of places to sit. Which way you want to go? Alright, grilled prawns, this is sushi. We've got a bit of everything in here. Wow, it's long, goes for about 150 metres or something. It's not real busy in here, sort of busy, but not real busy. Satay. Like sticky rice there. Sticky rice, that sort of fried little cakes. Yeah, it's sort of spread out, there's really not that much going on here. It's not real busy. I think I'm gonna get it. Yuli's got a new motorbike, look. The Mickey Mouse machine. So there's a lot of stuff, but there's not that many people. Looks like it comes out, finishes up about 50 metres ahead. It's pretty long. Spring rolls. Oh, here's the bug table, look. Got crickets. Like witchy grubs, grasshoppers, mealworms. Good stuff. Ah, want some bugs? Really? You want some bugs? So this is what we had for breakfast for dinner last night. Like Caesar rice and that. So we've got garlic chicken and egg and rice. Let's try it out. Yearly starving, she said, so we'll grab that as a snack. Chicken spring rolls, crab spring rolls, like pork spring rolls, veggie spring rolls.
That garlic remind me the one that in front of the Phuket Hotel.
Just fried garlic. It's got little prawns, there's grilling and a little griller. And it's like 300 baht, which is about 15 bucks, is that minute? Yeah. 15 bucks for all them prawns.
300. Oh yeah.
It's too many. I don't need it. So we got some chicken satay, really cheap, like 10 baht each. 50 baht, so it's like $2 for 5 or something. Thank you. Good chicken, or it's nice, isn't it? Very good. Yeah, this bike. Big 10 girls on it. Huh?
Stand behind that hole and put your head
No. Got a band just ready to start in the back here. So that was our first day in Jomtien Beach. We'd never stayed in Jomtien Beach before. We always stay over in Pattaya, on the city side where all the action is, and walking street and that. But it was really good. It seemed pretty good. It's a very quiet area compared to Pattaya city, so yeah, it was good. And our first impressions was, yeah, we liked the place. So there's more videos to come, so don't forget, stick around for more videos.